All right, guys. Hey, quick video. This is Sal, garage belt. We're doing some cleanup on the Durango with my co-pilot. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. So we're doing the seat belts. For now, the seat belts have been really dirty, so I'm using almost a 1-to-1 ratio of detergent, or not detergent, degreaser and water, and a little bit of actually it's more than 1-to-1, but sorry guys, hold on. We got some jets flying up there. So anyways, yeah, so I'm cleaning these. The whole car needs a good cleaning, but right now we're doing the whole car needs a cleaning, but we're just doing these for now. Kind of soaking them, especially the driver's side, because I used it a lot. But I'll check the other ones. This is the one that's the most dirtiest. It didn't go all the way up, but we're fixing that right now, guys. Ain't that right? Yeah. My co-pilot, say hi. Say hi. Yeah, guys. Simple video, not too hard. I'll show you the before, which is this is right now, and then I'll show the after. But I'll let you guys know how it went, okay? All right, guys, we're back. This is kind of you can see it's kind of been cleaned up a little bit more. I've been at it for a while. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, man, that's dirty. So, ideally a pressure washer would be the best, but I don't have one. My neighbor does, but he won't be back until this weekend, so I'm asking him to borrow it, and I'll redo it again. I'll scrub and then I'll pressure wash it. So, but you can see the difference. It's a lot better. Like it was all black. See, there's still some black spots right there. It's not perfect, but it wouldn't reel up. So hopefully this will reel up for now, and then I gotta start driving it actually for my new job. Which will help us get this done faster, actually. But anyways, guys, quick little video. Of course, it's Sal Garage Belt. Just make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this. See you guys later. Bye.